ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 made a soft landing on the moon on 23rd August 2023, which was witnessed by the whole world. From 23rd August to the next 14 days, many scientific experiments were conducted on the surface of the moon. The Vikram Lander remained active for 12 days, but the Pragyan rover was put into a sleep mode on 2nd September. The Vikram lander was put into sleep mode on 4th September, but some of its electronic instruments, such as the input signal mode, were turned on so that Chandrayaan 3 could receive signals from Earth when the moon dawned on September 22. On the 4th of September, the moon became dark and this lunar night was to remain so for about 14 days. ISRO scientists said that Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover were not designed to operate in the lunar night. If that were the case, they would have had to put heaters inside the lander and that would have required more powerful batteries. They believed that on 22nd September, the moon would start to see the sunrise, by which time its batteries would be recharged and it would come out of sleep mode. But even after 22nd September, the Vikram lander is not receiving any signal from the ground, nor it is sending any signal from its side to ISRO. It has been almost a week since the sun rose on the moon and still there is no good news of Chandrayaan 3 waking up, and the question is starting to arise in people's hearts that the Vikram lander of Chandrayaan 3 has not gone to sleep forever, and this mission is also a failed mission like Chandrayaan 3. ISRO chief said, efforts have been made to establish communication with the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover to ascertain their wake-up condition. As of now, no signals have been received from them. Efforts to establish contact will continue. On September 25th and 26th, ISRO tried hard to wake up the sleeping Vikram by sending signals, but they could not succeed in this effort. ISRO sent a signal to the Vikram lander with the help of the propulsion module in lunar orbit, but there was no response. Even the European Space Agency has tried to wake up the Vikram lander by sending a signal, but no response has been received from it. Radio signals from the Vikram lander are not coming in the way they should. The radio frequency that is received is very weak. Scientists have said that in the night of the moon, since the temperature goes from -232 to -250 degrees Celsius, the Vikram lander's batteries have died in such extreme cold. And the ISRO team hopes that as the sun shines on the surface of the moon for another week, the body of the Vikram lander will warm up and the solar panels will absorb the energy well enough to get the batteries working. In addition, its artificial intelligence system was advanced enough so that if its battery is safe, it will automatically send a signal to Earth and wake up the Pragyan rover on its own. But after enduring temperatures of -200 degrees, even if it becomes active, it will not function as before. Now ISRO team has said that Chandrayaan 3 will act as their ambassador on moon's surface.